students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 9 data handling, and today we are going to begin with exercise 9.1 from Ncert. Before we carry on with the exercise, let's just understand what are telemarks and how we make telemarks according to the information given to us. Now basically telemark is a way of representing the numbers in a group of 5. That means if a number or if anything is repeating more than 4 times, then we can represent those with the help of diagonal line the 5th time. That means look at the example over here. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 which is repeating so many number of times. Now how do I know how many times 2 is repeating or 3 is repeating? It might be difficult for me. So what I have done is, for every number, whatever time they are repeating, I will draw one standing line in front of that. If that number is repeating more than 4th time, that means it is coming for the 5th time, then I will draw a slanting or a diagonal line on it, which will represent a group of 5, and it will become easy for me to calculate or to find out number of times that number is repeating. So according to this, 2 is repeating 6 times, 3 is repeating 7 times, 4 is repeating 4 times, and 5 is repeating 3 times. So like this we are going to represent our information. Let's begin with question number 1. In a mathematics test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using telemarks. Find how many students obtained marks equal to or more than 7 and how many students obtained marks below 4. Let's first make the telemarks based on the information given to us. Now it will be represented like this. Marks obtained, you will write down 1 to 9. Then telemarks, how many times that number is repeating, you will draw a standing line, and if that number is repeating more than 4 times, the 5th time if it comes, then draw a diagonal line on it to make a group of 5 and then repeat the same method again. So next column represent those by number of students. You will count your telemarks easily and you will write down how many students were there who obtained 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks and so on. Based on this information, we will find out the answers. Number of students who obtained marks equal to or more than 7. Equal to or more than 7 means 7, 8 and 9. How many students are there? 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 12. B part. Number of students who obtain marks below 4. Below 4 means 4 is not included. Less than 4. Less than 4 means I will just take into consideration marks 1, 2 and 3, which are represented by 2 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 8 students. Question number 2. Following is the choice of sweets of 30 students of class 6, which is represented by laddu, barfi, rasagulla, jalebi. There are 4 types of sweets which are liked by class 6 students. So we will make a telemarks for this to find out number of students. Based on this table, you will see that there are 11 students who are liking laddu, 3 students like barfi, 7 students like jalebi and 9 students like rasgulla. Total number of students are 30. The question is, which sweet is preferred by most of the students? So where the number of students are maximum, that is the most preferred. So 11 is the maximum number, which is representing laddu. So laddu is preferred by most of the students. Question number 3. Catherine threw a dice 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. So this is a dice. On a dice there are certain numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times these numbers are repeating, we will represent with the help of telemarks. It's like this. 1 is coming 7 times, 2 is coming 6 times, 3 is coming 5 times, 4 is coming 4 times. 5 is coming 11 times and 6 is coming 7 times. Be very careful when you are making the tally marks, because on the basis of tally marks you will find out the number of times that counting will be done. If tally marks are wrong, so your total will also come to wrong. Now based on this we will find out which number is appearing minimum number of times. So just see the minimum number, the third column, number of times. 4 is the number which is coming minimum number of times, and this is represented by 4 number on the dice. That means on the dice 4 is there which is coming 4 times, and this 4 is coming minimum number of times. B part, the number which is appearing maximum number of times. So which is the number? Now you see what is the maximum number? 11. So 11 is representing which number on the dice? 5. So number that appeared maximum number of times is 5, which is coming 11 times. Then we need to find out which number is repeating or which is coming the same number of times. If you see 7 and 7, there are two numbers which are coming same. That is number on the dice is 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 is coming equally, that is 7 times. Question number 4. Following pictograph shows the number of tractors in 5 villages. Now tractor is given to us. Each symbol of this is representing one tractor. Based on this we will find out the answers. First let us find out the number of tractors. Now if you see over here, each tractor is symbol is one tractor. So for village A we are showing 6 tractors. Village B has 5, village C has 8, village D is 3 and village E is 6. So all these numbers we have found with the help of these symbols. Now the question is, which village has the minimum number of tractors? Now see which is the minimum number? 3. So 3 is representing village D. Village that has maximum number of tractors. Which has the maximum number? 8. 8 is representing village C. Then we have question, how many more tractors village C has as compared to village B? Now let us see. In village B there are 5 tractors. In village C there are 8 tractors. How many more tractors are there in village C? 3 more tractors. And what are the total number of tractors? Count all. There are total 28 tractors. Question number 5. The number of girl students in each class of co-educational middle school is depicted by the pictograph. Now here if you see, the classes 1 to 8 are shown with the help of pictograph. There is a face of girl shown and each symbol is representing 4 girls. So let us first find out how many girls are there with the help of data given to us. Now if you see over here, each symbol is 4 girls. For the first class there are 6 symbols. So 4 multiplied by 6, there are 24 girls. Okay. For the second class there are 4 full faces. So 4 into 4, 16. And there is one shown half. So what is half represent? Half will represent 2. If full is represented by 4, then its half will be represented by 2. 16 plus 2, 18. Like this we will find out for all the classes how many girls are there. Your full face is represented by 4 and your half face will represent by 2. Now let us find out the questions on this. Which class has the minimum number of girl students? Let us see which is the minimum number of girls. 6 is the minimum number of girls which is coming in our data, and 6 is representing by the class 8. Let's find out next. Is the number of girls in class 6 less than number of girls in class 5? Let us see. In class 6 we have 16 girls and in class 5 we have only 10 girls. So what is the answer? Number of girl students in class 6 is not less than that of class 5, because that means class 6 has more number of girls. So it is not less than that of class 5. And number of girls in class 7 will be 12, because it is represented by 3 faces. 3 means 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12. Question number 6. The sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is shown below. Now let us first draw the information from this. You have electric bulbs and each electric bulb represents 2 bulbs. So first let us find out how many bulbs are there. For Monday, if you see, there are 6 full bulbs. So 6 multiplied by 2, 12. On Tuesday you have 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Wednesday 4 into 2, 8. Thursday 5 into 2, 10. Friday 7 into 2, 14. Saturday 4 into 2, 8. And Sunday 9 into 2, 18. So we have drawn number of bulbs. Based on this, we will answer the questions. How many bulbs were sold on Friday? Let us see from the data. On Friday, we had 7 bulbs. So 7 into 2, 14 bulbs were sold. B. Maximum number of bulbs were sold on Sunday. If you see, the maximum number is 18 out of the full information. That is the highest number, and that was on Sunday. Is there any bulb which is repeating same number of times? 8 and 8 is coming same number of times, that is on Wednesday and Saturday. D part. The minimum number of bulbs were sold on Wednesday and Saturday, that is 8. 8 is the minimum number. Next, total number of bulbs. Okay, first I will read this. If one big carton can hold 9 bulbs, how many cartons were needed in a given week? Now first of all, how many total bulbs do we have? We have 86. When you count all, it will come 86. And as per the information, we are told that one carton can have 9 bulbs. That means we can write down 9 bulbs need 1 carton. So 86 bulbs will need how many cartons? We will divide it. 86 divided by 9. It comes to 9.5, which is approximately we need 10 cartons to fill it. Question number 7. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in a particular season. Now let us see the data. Number of fruit baskets are shown. Some are full, some are half. Now total full baskets are represented by 100. So that means half will be 50. If full is 100, for half divide by 2. So 100 divided by 2 is 50. Let us find out the baskets first. Now from this information, if I see for Rahim, there are 4 full baskets. 4 into 100 gives you 400. Then Dakhanpal has 5 full baskets and 1 half. So 5 full means 5 into 100, 500 plus half, that is 50, 550. Anwar has 7 full baskets, so 7 into 100, 700. Martin has 9 full basket and 1 half, so 950. Ranjit has 8 full baskets, so 800. And Joseph has 4 full baskets, that is 400 plus half, that is 450. Now let us find out the answers. Number 1. Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets? Let us see which is a maximum number. Highest number is 950 and 950 is represented by Martin. Martin sold the maximum number of fruit baskets. And how many fruit baskets are sold by Anwar? Now let us see the third number. Anwar has sold 7 into 100, 700 fruit baskets. Next, let us see the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? Now 600 and more we have to find out. So Rahim is there? No. Lakhanpal will also not come. And last Joseph will also not come. So what are the names? Anwar, Martin and Ranjit Singh. They have sold more than 600 fruit baskets and are planning to buy a godown. That's all for this exercise 9.1. I hope you must have found it very easy. It is really easy, but still do lots of practice. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 9.2 children. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. See you soon for the next video. Goodbye. Take care.